Companies are looking to extract more value from their data, but struggle to capture, store, and analyze all the data generated today. Data is growing exponentially, coming from new sources, is increasingly diverse, and needs to be securely accessed to be analyzed by different applications and lines of business. AWS can solve these challenges. Customers can put all of their data in a data lake and analyze it with their choice of open-source distributed processing frameworks, like Apache Spark and Hadoop. By far, the most popular storage infrastructure for a data lake is Amazon S3. However, customers have found operating Spark and Hadoop difficult, expensive, and time-consuming. Traditionally, you had to purchase and integrate the hardware and install and manage the software, including constant upgrades. Various lines of business would often timeshare centralized cluster resources, leading to underutilization during idle periods and missed SLA during peak. As your data grows, the size of your infrastructure constantly grows. Because storage and compute are tied together, increasing storage means scaling expensive compute requirements. Amazon EMR makes deploying Spark and Hadoop easy and cost-effective, and decouples compute and storage, allowing both of them to grow independently, leading to better resource utilization. EMR allows you to store data in Amazon S3 and run compute as you need to process that data. You can launch an EMR cluster in minutes. You don't need to worry about node provisioning, cluster setup, Hadoop configuration, or cluster tuning. Once the processing is over, you can switch off your clusters. You can automatically resize clusters to accommodate peaks and scale them down without impacting your Amazon S3 data lake storage. You can also run multiple clusters in parallel, allowing each of them to share the same dataset. Managing Spark and Hadoop is also easy with EMR. It monitors your cluster, retrying failed tasks, and automatically replacing poorly performing instances. Using Amazon CloudWatch, you can collect and track metrics, logs, and audits, set alarms, and automatically react to changes. Finally, Amazon EMR makes deploying Spark and Hadoop cost-effective. You pay a per-second rate only for the cluster resources you use. Customer support is available 24/7 on your normal AWS support bill, at a fraction of what other commercial Spark and Hadoop vendors would charge. With spot pricing, you can lower your bill up to 90%. IDC recently found the ROI of EMR versus on-premises is 342% over 5 years. It's no wonder why there are more customers migrating their on-premises Hadoop and Spark deployments to Amazon EMR than ever before. Try Amazon EMR today. It's the fastest, easiest, and most cost-effective way to get started with Spark and Hadoop.